we are proud to be a part of this iconic award show and the Business Summit as the title sponsor. I congratulate all the iconic brand winners. This platform by Blossom Media is very important for the promotion and recognition of Made in India brands. BeSafe is at par with US technology and is economical enough to give the Chinese brands in the respective field a run for its money. As far as my inspiration is concerned, I am inspired by my father, Mr. Abdul Ghafoor Qureshi. आप लोग उनको पर्सनली जानते नहीं होंगे, लेकिन आप लोगों ने उनका प्रोडक्ट ज़रूर देखा होगा. आप किसी भी मस्जिद में चले जाएं, वहाँ आपको एक ऑटोमेटिक नमाज टाइम इंडिकेटर मिलेगा. ये नमाज टाइम इंडिकेटर मेरे वालिद साहब की इजाद है. He is the first one to develop such a wonderful product. He is the pioneer of this field. For the past 16 years, his company has been supplying these units all over the India and in more than 20 countries. I have seen him from my childhood, observed him. I was quite motivated by his dedication towards this product, Namaz Time Indicator, a quest for the research and development to build such an innovative product. He believes in the hadith, आसानियाँ पैदा करो, दुश्वारियाँ पैदा ना करो. Make things easier, do not make them difficult. He uses technology to make human life easier. I have adopted his style and business principles. Fortunately for me, he is my mentor, my guide, and BeSafe is the result of his influence on me. During this COVID pandemic, many new innovations have entered the global market. BeSafe is one of it. We have developed a wide range of products for disinfection of bacteria and viruses from air and surface. While researching, I came across many US products, but they were too expensive for Indian consumers. While there were some low-cost products, but they don't comply to the quality standards. We strive hard to bridge the gap and provide superior quality product at reasonable price with reliable service support. Hence, we came up with BeSafe UVC Sanisters. BeSafe Sanisters work on the technology of germicidal UVC rays. And as per the NABL testing, our sanisters are designed to kill the bacteria and inactivate the viruses, including SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19. Apart from UL and ISO, our products are tested by SGS, NABL approved lab. Right from 20 watts to 1000 watts, we have a wide range of products for disinfection of air and surface from all kinds of bacteria and viruses. We have products for schools, colleges, homes, shopping malls, spas and saloons, COVID centers, hospital, and many more. And we at BeSafe can take turnkey projects as well. So you just name it and we can do it. And just to inform you, I have designed a unique and one-of-its-kind product for sanitization of washrooms. So as you are aware that toilets, whether be it personal or public, are prone to spread contagious diseases. So special attention should be paid to keep them clean and sanitized. We are the first to introduce this concept of automated procedure of disinfectioning the toilets after every use. Thank you Blossom Media for giving BeSafe this opportunity to be a part of this event that promotes Made in India brands. I once again congratulate all the iconic brand award winners. With these words, I take leave. Stay safe with BeSafe.